Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting the last design that we have continued yesterday. We have played around with the gradient tool. So let's see where we have landed. So in order to do the things, so let me share my screen first and see how much design we have built yesterday. If I go here and if I open my Visual Studio Code, so as soon as I open my Visual Studio Code, I have kept the folder on my desktop. So let's open the desktop design. So here is my desktop, and after going on desktop, so I need to open this folder. So let's open the live server. So as soon as I open my live server, so as soon as I go here, we have reached till this point where we have set your result and 76 out of 100. We have set till yesterday. So if I open my main design, so if I go here, so this is my main design that we need to build. Third thing that we need to build after this is we need to add a grade keyword. So what I will be doing, I will be adding another div that will have stored my grades. So let's start with the design today. Since today is Ganesh Chaturthi, we have done the Stapana of Ganpati today. So Ganpati Papa Moria. So next step, let's do it here. So let's minimize it here. And after minimizing it, so what is the keyword that we are looking for? That is grade. So after this, what I will be doing after completing, so that is abbreviations. Let's add abbreviate it. As soon as we add abbreviate, and we will be writing grade. So since we have written the grade, so we will go on the abbreviate. So let's copy this abbreviate, and as soon as I go on the style tag, so what I will be doing, I will be going here dot abbreviate. So I think the spelling is wrong. So let's copy the class name here from here. So you need to make sure that whenever you are using CSS, so it should be always in the similar manner. So in no capital, no small, since it can cause issue. What I will be doing after writing dot abbreviate, I will be writing font size is equal to 2 rem. So let's give 2 rem. Padding top equal to what, let's give it 10. Padding top 1 rem, and further what I will be padding top bottom. So instead of giving the top bottom, and left right is equal to 0. So as soon as we give this, so color white, and four properties, font weight equal to, let's make it bold. Let's keep it 800 here. So as soon as we go 800 here, so after doing 800, so if we go on our original design, now you are seeing that grade is coming, but we need to check one more thing, that our font family is not matching. Is the font family given here? So let's see. So first of all, what I will be doing, I will be storing my font family from my parent. So what I will be doing, I will be opening my folder, that is this folder, and this is the second folder in which I'm playing around with the designs. So what I will be going into my assets. In the assets, I have font. So let's copy this, and let's paste this folder in my paste it here. Also, I will be checking out with ChatGPT. So let's paste item. Where is the paste item? Oh, we have selected images. So let's paste item here. So as soon as we pasted the font, so let's check. Earlier we was picking the fonts from my links from Google Fonts. So now what I will be doing, I will be doing the ChatGPT. I will be search for what you need to search here. We need to search for font size. We need to how to add the font that is in your computer in CSS, so that font family can be added to body. So we have searched it like this. So here we have given, so what we will be doing, uh, so please note that okay, so you need to pick the font family from like in this form. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be copying this code, that is, let's copy this. Okay, I think this is the best thing that I got from ChatGPT. So let's copy it from here. So as soon as I copy it from here, so what I will be doing, I will be going here, and what I will be doing, I will be pasting this. So that is font family, it's fonts. So let's delete other part. Okay, let's paste the font family from here. Or let's add Control Z. And what I will be doing, URL, and in URL /fonts slash and so let's add this, and let's try to save this. So as soon as we have done this, so next thing that we will be doing is, so we will be trying to save this out. So just allow me a minute. So as soon as we do this, so now I think we are good. So let's try the design now, how the design is being looking. So if I go here, my bad. Let's close this out. If I go here on the index, I will be clicking open live server. So now you are seeing that your font is looking similar to the things which we are. So it is not bold now, it is looking good now. As per our image, your result, yes. So, and weight is also. So you are seeing that the opacity is less for this. So what we will be opening, we will be opening the style guide as well. So let's open the style guide as well. So let's go here. And as soon as I go on my style guide, so once I go here in my style guide, so this is this color, that is light lavender. So that is for your, so let's copy this out. Let's go on to this. So your result is with the result box. So what I will be doing, I will be adding dot result. So instead of color white, I will be pasting this. So once we are done with this, so now let's compare your result is coming right. But if I see my image, that is when I go in the finder and I click on design and then I click on desktop design, so it has some padding from the top. You are seeing that it has some padding from the top. So in order to do the padding, what I will be doing, I will be just adding some padding here. So in order to do the padding, so I will be adding padding. Top left right is good. Top bottom, let's make it no. Top is equal to 2 rem, 1.5 rem, and let's save this out. And let's check it now how it is looking, because everything depends on the design here. So as soon as I click here, so now your result is coming. And let's check the original design. So if I check my original design as well, where is my original design? Let's open the preview. So your result is coming fine. Okay, so now the things are coming. Just we need to decrease the size for grade. So in order to decrease the size for weight, what I will be doing, I will be just instead of 1.3, what I will be doing, I think we have given 2 rem. Let's make it 1.5 rem. So as soon as I save this, so once we have saved this, we are good. So weight is looking good. Just a padding is needed here. So how much padding is needed? 2 rem from the top. So let's add 2 rem and 1 rem from the bottom. Padding, not padding top, it should be padding 1 rem, 1 rem top, right equal to 0, bottom is equal to, let's make it 2 rem from top and 1 rem from bottom, 1 rem, and after 1 rem what I need to give, that is 0 rem from the left. So let's save this out and now let's check our design as well, how it is looking. So where is my, yeah, so you are saying now the weight is looking good. So we are almost on the same verge where we have reached the point where grade is looking good. Once we have written the grade, so next thing that you need to consider here in the design is your highest score is more than 65% for the text you taken. So its color is resembling the light lavender color. So I will be adding the para. So what I will be doing, I will be adding para here. So what, let's do here, after dot para, but I will be pasting it out. After pasting this out, next step that you need to do here is, so you will be going on to dot para here. So where is, yeah, so I will be adding dot para here. Let's copy, or let's do one thing. No, the text font size is less here. So let's paste everything. Just ready, we will be reducing the font size from 0.1 to 0.5 rem. So as soon as we click here, so if we go here in our design, so where is our design coming? So you are seeing that now the font size is very much small. So if we compare it with our design, it is 0.8. Let's make it 0.9. 0.9. So as soon as I make 0.9, so now if you see here, now the things are coming. Just we need padding from both sides. So just we will be giving the padding in not 1 rem. So let's make it 2 rem. 2 rem. So as soon as I make, you will be seeing now the design is looking similar, like we are seeing here. That is 65% of the people who have taken these tests. So now our left hand side has been settled as we want for the desktop screen. So now it's the time for setting the right hand side of the box. So everything look cool here in the box one. So now if we see the box right, there are 6 items. So where summary is adding and other divs have some color there. So what I will be doing, I will be making same class. Just I will be changing the color. Or we can do one thing, we can keep the class same and further we can update the colors here. Okay, because everything is same rest. So first let's add the summary. So in the box 2, so first thing that I will be doing is I will be adding dot summary. So let's go into box 2, dot summary, and I will be adding summary. So as soon as we save it summary, so now the summary is coming here, but we need a padding. And if you will be seeing the padding here, the padding for all the elements are coming similar. If you start from here till here, the padding left is similar. So we can add the padding left similar to the things that is coming here. So what I will be doing, I will be adding the padding here. So in order to do the same, So what we will be doing, we will be taking box 2, we will be giving the complete to the box 2. So if I go here in my Visual Studio Code, oh my bad, my mouse just fluttered from here, so my dock is not coming. So where is my dock? I think my mouse is not working in a good manner. So let's, yeah, my dock moved here. What I will be doing, I will be just clicking here, and I will be giving one onto box. So what I will be doing, I will be adding dot box 2, and the next thing what I will be doing, that is padding left is equal to 1.5 rem. So as soon as I give the padding left equal to 1.5 rem, you are able to see all the things are coming. Since we haven't added anything, so what nothing happened. So just we will be comparing the summary. Now the summary is coming. Good. But summary has padding top as well as padding bottom here. So what we will be doing, we will be giving padding top and bottom equal to something. So what I will be doing here, so I will be going on to dot summary padding top bottom we need to give to not to 1.5 rem, and in bottom I will be giving 0 rem. So if I check here, now the summary is looking cool. So if you will be comparing your result and summary should come in the same line, yes, they are coming in the same line. So first thing is solved here. So next thing is we need to add the reaction, memory, verbal and visual, and their format is similar. So what we will be doing, so let's check on ChatGPT how to give tab space, or let's do one thing. We will not give a tab space, we will just give flexbox. So since we are using a flexbox, so what we will be doing, if we click here, so what I will be doing, I will be adding the describer dot describer into 4. I have 4 describers, and in this describer, I will be giving display flex. All the things will remain same. So what I will be doing, I will be writing dot describer, and what I will be doing, I will be doing display flex, and justify content space evenly, space between. So let's skip this thing. So in describer, what I will be adding, if you see here in the describer, you are seeing the hash reaction. So if we check here, do we have images for reaction, memory, verbal, visual? So let's first check it. So what I will be doing, I will be taking dot reaction. So first I will be doing typing here reaction, and after reaction I will be adding img src is equal to, I think now the images are there. So yes, we have the image for reaction. So once we are done with reaction, we will be typing reaction, and after reaction, next is what I will be doing, I will be adding my scores. So what is my score? Now you are able to see that reaction is coming similar. So what we will be doing, we will be doing all the images. So first is reaction, second is which. First let's add reaction, memory, verbal and visual. So this look cool, so let's do first thing. So what I will be doing, reaction, verbal, next is verbal, let's confirm, next is memory. So what I will be doing, dot memory, what I will be doing in memory, I am src is equal to what I will be selecting. I will be selecting images on memory, and after memory, the third thing that we will be writing, we will writing memory. So let's first fix this. After fixing it, we will be starting with the next part. So you will be seeing that direction and memory are coming. So you don't need to worry why this is not coming. At the end, we will be reaching till this point. Third is verbal and fourth is visual. So as soon as we go type for verbal, so let's copy this out. Let's type it. There is no worry. So verbal. So in verbal, we will be doing the same thing. Image src is equal to / images verbal, and after verbal, we will be typing verbal, and after verbal, if I go here after verbal, once we are done, so what I will be doing, I will be adding img src is equal to images. Oh my bad. I Okay, let's save it, and further we will be changing the things. So here we will be writing visual. So before this, I forgot one thing. I need to create the visual class. So let's start it here, and let's paste this class here. So let's do the tab. Let's paste it here. So as soon as we see here, so you will be seeing 4 images, and each image is showing me different type. So once we are done with this, we are able to see reaction, memory, verbal, and equal to visual. So let's see the style guide, and let's check what all colors are given to this. So if I go here, so you will be seeing the multiple colors. So this is a color that they have provided, that is light red. So what I will be doing, I will be giving the uh, let's make class that is red. So what I will be doing, I will be going here, I will be writing with each describer, I will be giving red. Based upon the differentiation, I will be giving the classes. So first we have added red. So what I will be doing, dot red, I will be giving background color equal to, I will be pasting this out. So as soon as we paste it, so now you are seeing that your color is very much dark. So even you are not able to see the, so what we will be doing, we will be just reducing the opacity. So it is coming as 67%. Let's make it 20%. 20%. No, make it 67. And after 67, so let's ask from ChatGPT. So if I search here, how to reduce ChatGPT. So how to reduce opacity of background color so that image and text should be visible. So let's search it out on GPT. So as soon as we search it here, so you are seeing that. So is there any uh, no z index? We have opacity equal to 0.5. So avoid this. This will make text and not just in the back. So let's try this with this. So it is telling me to avoid this, but I think this is the best approach. Or let's make it 0.4 first of all. So let's make 0.4 first of all and see how it will be reacting. 0.4. So let's save it out, and let's check if our design is coming. Yes, now it is coming in the good direction. So now you are able to see the direction, but it is happening in such a way that we haven't given the width as well. Or let's do one thing, in as direction is coming, we will be giving all colors to all things. So we will be adding 0.4 in all the things. So similarly, I will be adding dot yellow. So after this, I will be adding yellow. So in yellow, we will go in the style guide, and we will be copying the color for yellow, and we will be just giving 0.4 so that all the style will come. So what I will be doing, dot background color, and I will be pasting comma 0.4. After yellow, what is the next color? That is green. So let's copy the green color. So what I will be doing, we will be adding the color in one row, and further we will be changing. So what we will be doing, we will be adding green, and we will be pasting it here. We haven't added background color, so we will be adding background. So let's add background color. Since we have given this color, so we will be removing this out, and we will be adding 0.4 in our. So let's make it full screen, and here also what I will be doing, 0.4, and we will be saving this out. After green, if we go on the fourth step, so that is what is that is blue. So let's copy the blue as well. So as soon as we copy the blue as well, so what I will be doing, dot blue. So let's paste background color. So I will be just pasting the color from my style guide, and I will be making 0.4 there. So if you go here and comma 0.4. So you are saying the chat GPT is just a help when it is nowadays you don't have to search on Stack Overflow or chat GPT. Just ask chat GPT, it will give you the best optimal solution. So just you need to practice more and more how does this. So similarly, description yellow, yellow. Here I will be giving green, and on the last what I will be doing, I will be giving the blue. So as soon as we save this out, and if I go here, you are seeing all four colors are coming in the way, but these don't have any width here. So let's increase the width as well. So if I go here and see width of these images, so it is reaching till end. So I will be giving width equal to 100 r, not 100 rem. So let's give 100%. Or let's add first content. So after adding this purple, so what I will be doing, second thing that you need to add is you need to add the scores, that is 80 out of 100. So I will be copying the score, and in all the score will remain same, dot score. So let's paste it here, that is 80 out of 100. So since there is no much difference further, so I will be adding the scores in all. So let's first go here and paste it here. Let's paste it after the step, and after this, all just we will be changing the number after this. So let's change the number now. So 18, 92, 61, 73, 73, 73, 61, 61. Third is, what is the third score that is coming here is, that is 92. If you go here, it is 92 here, 92. So as soon as we save this here, so after saving this out, so you will be seeing now the scores are coming in this manner. But you think it should be light? So the color is light, very much light. So let's make it from 0.4, let's make it 0.2 in all. So let's make it 0.2, 0.2, because color is on the light hand side. And if you see now, the color is on the very much dark side, and that is not required. So let's save this out. And after that, if we check now the color is looking good. But the things is we need spacing and everything. So let's give the description as width as well. So what I will be doing, width is equal to max content. So let's try this max content. I haven't added the max content till now. So max content has not given me anything. Okay, so what is width? So max, so min. So let's try with min content as well. Min content is not helping us out. So let's give it 14 REM. Let's make it 14 REM. So let's try it out with this. Yes, now the things are. Let's make it 20 REM for now. So let's make it 20 REM. So as soon as we make it 20 REM, you will be seeing that it is getting pushed outside. So let's make it 16 REM. So as soon as we make it 16 REM, so now the things look cool. Just now we just need to set the padding and margin between them. So if you compare it from here, it has some padding from top bottom and some padding here as well. So let's play around with the padding. So what we will be doing, we will be giving the padding. So top bottom is, let's make it 1 rem, and not 1 rem, 1 rem will be longer. Let's make it 0.8 rem and let's make it 0. Similarly margin as well, margin is equal to 0.5 rem, and let's make it 0. So as soon as we play around with this, now if you are able to see the design, so now the designer is coming like this. Okay, but it has some padding on the left and right side as well. So what is the padding? So if you will be seeing, comparing it with the design, now you have, if you go here and if you enlarge this image, so it has some border radius as well. So yes, it has some border radius as well. So let's make the border radius as well, some as 10 pixels. So what I will be doing, I will be giving the border radius, and let's, instead of 0, I will be making 0.3 rem. So let's make border radius is equal to 0.8 rem. So by default, let's play around with 0.8 rem and let's see how much is the direction. Okay, so the things are good. Just we need to reduce a little padding here. So in order to reduce the little padding, what we will be doing, instead of 0.8, we will make it 0.6. So as soon as we make it 0.6, now you are able to see this, all the things are coming in as good as we needed it. Just we need to compare now with our design. So let's make it 100%. So let's decrease the size of this. So now you have some padding from both hand side. Okay, so you have some padding. So let's make that padding large. So without thinking about it, let's make it 0.5 rem. So I think we have given 0.3 rem. Let's make it 1 rem for now. By closing the eyes, we are not playing around with this. Now you are able to see, now it is looking better. Okay, just visual, and this is not coming in the right direction. So in order that this should come in the same direction, what I will be doing, I will be giving display flex to this all. Okay, so what I will be doing, not this, to member, to, let's add a class, and let's, in the a class, where these are coming, so let's make it f. Let's add f class with everything. F is for flex, so not here. So what I will be doing, verbal f, and here also visual with f. So what I will be doing, by giving f class, I will be just giving display flex. So what I will be doing, dot f display flex. So as soon as we save it, so after saving it, you will be seeing that display flex has come. Just we will be giving justify content space between, and let's see if the things are coming. So if we inspect this, and if I go here in the further, if I open the class, so this is action. So here space between, just we will be giving some space here. So in the reaction, so in the F I will be giving 3 rem space. So what I will be doing, I will be giving width equal to 3 rem. Let's play around with 3 rem as well. I think that this will get break. So this hasn't got break here now. So let's make it 10 rem. Let's play around with this. With 10 rem, are we facing any changes? Yes, we are facing the changes. 10 rem is very much looking good, but we will decrease the size from F. So let's do it here. So where is the 10? So let's make it, yeah, yeah. Now the things are also, what I will, let's make it not 6, 5 rem is getting attached. Okay. Why the vowel and they are not coming in the same direction? So if I go here, okay, let's make it 0.5. Let's make it 5 rem. So instead of here, what I will be doing, I will be having 4 rem. So as soon as I go here and I refresh this out, so where is the issue here? So if I go here, it is not picking up my 4 rem. So let's make it 6 rem. So as soon as I make it 6 rem, now my design is looking like this. Okay, so design. So instead of space evenly, I will be giving space between. We will be giving space evenly. So let's play around with this. If now the things are coming, so you are seeing now the things are coming as per our demand. Okay, so we are good till this point. Last is just we need some margin in between. So if we compare, let's make the design small. So let's we have enlarged this system. So let's make it on the full screen. So you are saying that some margin top bottom is there. So what we will be increasing, we will be increasing the margin from top bottom. So instead of 0.5, let's make it 1 rem. So if we see 1 rem, now the things are looking good. So with 1 rem, we are almost covering. So let's compare the grade. After grade, the visual is coming. So if I let's why this design is not coming. So after grade, the visual is coming, but here the visual and grade are coming in the similar line. So let's see. Um, let I think we have given large. Oh, there is large padding here. So we will be inspecting this, and for abbreviation, we will be giving the padding from top. Now the things are in our favor. So it is 4 rem here padding. 4 rem is looking good here as per this. So let's make it 4 rem here. So after making 4 rem here, so after making 4 rem in abbreviation, so where is abbreviations? So let's fix the abbreviation as well, where we have given. So let's make it 4 rem. So after saving this out, so we are good till here. And further, if we compare our design, so now the design is come. Last thing that is left from our design is we are left with just one button, that is some continue. So let's keep the continue button. So let's copy this out. Let's copy the description. So what I will be doing, I will be copying the um, full description tab, describer tab. So let's copy, and what I will be doing, I will be just adding dot continue, and in continue I will be pasting everything. So after pasting, what I will be doing, because all the things are same, just one thing is different. So I will be removing that. I will be making it center instead of space between. I will be making center and background color. Let's check the style guide. What is the background color there? So it is approximately, I think the continuous Persian blue. So let's copy the Persian blue color and let's paste it here. And after making it, next step is what I will be doing, color equal to white. So we are done with this. We will be removing the describer here. And after removing the describer, the next thing that you need to fix here is we are good with this. So we will be going on dot continue here. So what after this def get completes. So what I will be doing, dot continue and after my bad. So continue. So I will be writing continue. So as soon as we get continue, so let's see how our design is coming. So I think the things have not get refreshed here. So let's see why the things have not get refreshed. So if I go on style.css, so we have given the continue background color equal to this. Justify. So let's copy the class name first. So this is the class name. So we will be copying the class name as well. And let's paste it here. That is continue. So here this tab is cutting close. This and this is box 2. Box, yes, box 2 is getting close. So we are good till here. So why the heck it is not getting refreshed? So if I see here in inspect element, so where is continue? The continue has come, just background color hasn't come. So let's see why background color hasn't come. So, oh, we have added A there. So it is not HSLA, it is HSL. Okay, so let's remove it. And after removing this out, if you will be seeing now, you will be refreshing it out. Still, we are not able to see the background color. So it is not giving us the color. So let's copy the style from again. So it is giving me Persian blue. Okay. I think we had hidden the opacity. So let's make it, let's delete the opacity for now from there. So what I will be doing, I will be removing the opacity from here. So let's save this out. And after this, if you compare it, the button is coming in this color, but this is not a color that we are looking out. So if we compare it with our design, it is of dark color. So let's compare the style guides once again. So if I go here on my style guide, so this is the color, dark gray. So let's copy this out, and by pasting this out, our design is ready. So now if you go here and if you go on your document, so if you refresh, oh, the button has, oh, I think all the things we haven't added the semicolon here. So as soon as we add the semicolon, now continue button is coming. Just we need to increase the border radius from 1. So let's make it 4 rem. So after making 4 rem, so if you see here, now button is coming similar to this. So if you now compare here, your design is looking exactly same like this. So this complete our today live session. I know that we have just changed the time for the live session. So actually due to Ganpati Stapna and we got late. So that's why I thought of continuing the live session today in the evening. So thank you everyone. So we have reached till this point where our desktop design has been reached. So I hope you are enjoying my live sessions. So thank you everyone for joining, those who have joined. Thanks.